Have you ever been so hooked on something that you could lose hours just thinking about it? Maybe it's a certain kind of story, a time in history, or a topic you never get tired of learning about. What if these things aren't random? What if they are actually clues about who you are and what you're meant to do? Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Relax your shoulders, close your eyes. Today, we'll explore the things that completely grab your attention and what they might be telling you. Let's begin. Think about something you've always been fascinated by, a subject, a hobby, or an idea you keep coming back to. Maybe it's something you love to research, watch videos on, or talk about any chance you get. Picture yourself in that moment. What are you learning? What makes it so exciting? Do you feel curious? Inspired? Like you've found something important? Now, think about why this has held your interest for so long. Does it make you feel connected to something bigger? Does it bring you joy or a sense of purpose? Stay in this moment for a little while. Let your curiosity lead you. Now, let's think even deeper. What if these interests aren't just fun, but actually signs of something important about you? Why do you think this passion has held your attention for so long? Does it match something you believe in? Does it make you feel like you're part of something bigger? What if this passion is leading you towards something meaningful? Say to yourself, I notice what excites me. I see the hidden patterns in what I love. I am discovering more about myself every day. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Write down 3 things. Something you can't stop thinking about. An interest that has stuck with you over time. Why it has grabbed your attention for so long. One way you can explore it even more starting today. Use the free journal designed for this journey, or use your own to guide your thoughts and go deeper into what moves you. Every time you reflect, you'll discover even more. Before you open your eyes, imagine letting yourself fully enjoy the things that interest you, trusting that they are leading you somewhere special. Say to yourself, I trust my interests to lead me towards something important. The things I can't stop thinking about are clues to my true self. I am ready to follow what excites me. Take another deep breath in and let it out. Picture yourself exploring your passion freely. Allow yourself to dive even deeper into what excites you without fear or hesitation. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Your journey matters, and I'm so grateful you're here. This journey isn't just about listening, it's about transformation. Each meditation is unlocking more of who you really are. Every time you reflect, more will be revealed. So don't stop here. Keep going. Keep discovering. Keep becoming. You deserve to understand yourself fully. And the more you do this, the clearer everything will become. What's one thing you'll do today to take a step forward? You've already come this far. trust yourself enough to keep going. Say to yourself, I am committed to my journey. Every step forward brings me closer to who I am meant to be. I trust that my true self already knows who I am. Take a moment to let these words settle in. Remember, knowledge is power, but the right knowledge is freedom, and acting on that knowledge is powerful. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share. What insight stood out to you the most? Let's keep this journey going together. Want to share your manifest story? If this journey has impacted you and you'd like to inspire others, send me an email. You can find my email address in the description box below. Make sure to like and subscribe too. Manifest and become, so that others can also discover who they are meant to be. Stay in this moment for a while. Allow yourself to think. This is your moment.